Hello, I'm Miguel Ángel Hernandez and I'm studying my fourth semester in architecture. I'm studying foreign language with my teacher Elizabeth, and I'm going to read a fragment from artrecord.com. Sustainable Portable Classroom Design Proposal. Sustainable architecture is a general term that describes environmentally conscious design techniques in the field of architecture. Sustainable architecture is framed by the larger discussion of sustainability and the pressing economic and political issues of our world. In the broad context, sustainable architecture seeks to minimize the negative environmental impact of buildings by enhancing efficiency and moderating in the use of materials, energy, and development space. The idea of sustainability or ecological design is to ensure that our actions and decisions today do not inhibit the opportunities of future generations. The term can be used to describe an energy and ecologically conscious approach to the design of the built environment. Energy efficiency over the entire life cycle of a building is the single most important goal of sustainable architecture. Architects use many different techniques to reduce the energy needs of buildings and increase their abilities to capture or generate their own energy, heat and ventilation, and cooling system efficiency.